How to hide friends list on Facebook apps. Having a lot of friends on Facebook is a fun thing. But sometimes I feel a little annoyed if there are people I don't know and then open and see my friends list on Facebook. So it occurred to me to hide the list of my friends on Facebook. And surprisingly, it turned out to be very easy. I'll explain how to do it in just 1 minute. After you enter the Facebook application, then click the hamburger menu at the top right. After that, scroll down and select Menu Settings. Once you are in the Settings menu, scroll down again and click on the How People Can Find and Contact You. In this menu, select Who Can See My Friends list. Then change this setting to Only Me. After you do this, only you can see your full friends list. But other people can still see the mutual friends. Don't forget to check out my next video. And I would really appreciate it if you would hit the like and subscribe button.